This is Apple's 67-watt charger, and this is Anker's 65-watt charger with 2 additional ports, less than half the size. Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog, and it's crazy how much more versatile, powerful, and compact Anker's chargers are than the one Apple gives you or the one that you're getting from your manufacturers. Anker has a fantastic lineup of GaNPrime chargers that feature more compact designs, higher wattage output, more ports, and better heat management for charging up all your devices and keeping you safe as the recipient. So the GaNPrime technology is legendary for being able to fit a 150-watt charger into the size of Apple's 67-watt charger. That's obviously great in and of itself, but it also gives you much better heat management, dramatically reducing the heat output, but also scanning multiple times a second to make sure that the heat is not causing any issues to keep you safe as the user, and also of course keeping your devices safe as well. I've been using Anker's chargers for a while, and they wanted to sponsor a video talking about their new lineup, so I want to talk about all these devices and find one that might be right for you, whether it be for an office, a bedroom, a classroom, a dorm, or travel, or really anything else. So let's go ahead and check out these 6 chargers, starting with my favorite. So starting out is the Anker 727, which has 2 AC, 2 USB-C, and 2 USB-A. And when you put in the AC ports, the outlet pops out a little bit, allowing you to get better access to it. There's also an LED ring that shows you your charging status, and you can really use this for whatever. And I like it to power up a whole desk setup. So I have my Mac charger going into one port, then I have a light in the other, but I can also do a fan or whatever I needed, or a display. Then I have LED string lights and my Garmin watch charger going into USB-A, and then an iPad charger and a HomePod mini going into my other USB-C ports. Now the Anker 735 is the kind of most compact, simple, just you get exactly what you're looking for. It has 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, and it's compact but can still charge your MacBook and your higher wattage devices. So it's great for that while staying portable. If you're looking for the same output options, which would be 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, you can get the Anker 737, but it has 120 watts of power. So you can charge a higher wattage laptop or just larger devices in general, and it's great for that. And if you're looking for the absolute maximum power, that is where the Anker 747 comes in. This thing is still smaller than Apple's 67-watt charger, but it has 150 watts of power, 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A. That USB-A is always nice because for me when I'm traveling, I have to bring 1 USB-A port for charging my micro USB devices, such as the charger to my electric skateboard, or the remote to my electric skateboard, but also my Garmin watch and other accessories like that. And then of course 3 USB-C means iPad, MacBook Pro, and even like a HomePod mini or a MagSafe or any other USB-C accessory. Now a great charging solution is the Anker 733. It features 65 watts and again 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, but the advantage here is that you can unplug it from the wall and keep charging your devices thanks to the 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack built in. Obviously incredibly convenient. You can just take your whole setup with you wherever you go, charge it up, and then come back home. When you plug it back into the wall, it'll charge your devices, but also the battery pack itself within the unit, so you're never running out of power with this option. But if you're looking for something really convenient when traveling, the Anker 615 has, again, 2 AC ports, but also 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, but it also has a cord that tucks within itself and wraps around itself to make it really easy for throwing in a bag, taking to a coffee shop or a hotel or whatever, and then powering an entire setup with a monitor, a laptop, multiple devices charging at once. This is a really nice solution. So those are the options from Anker with this new GaNPrime technology. Everything's smaller, faster, with more output options, and there's really not a bad one depending on what you're looking for. Whether it's travel, home, power, portability, they've got it all. So I'll leave some links down below if you want to check out any of these chargers from Anker. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.